Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a vital piece of gear for any audio enthusiast or professional, the EBXYA XLR to 1/4-inch TRS cables. For anyone who values pristine sound and reliable connections, the quality of their cables is absolutely paramount, and these offerings from EBXYA aim to deliver on all fronts. One of the most impressive aspects of these EBXYA cables is their dedication to high-fidelity sound. They are meticulously constructed with 24 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors, which is a fantastic foundation for clear signal transmission. But the engineering doesn't stop there. They incorporate both copper braid and a double shielding system, featuring both foil and copper braided shielding. This comprehensive design is specifically engineered to maximize resistance to external interference, ensuring that users experience maximum conductivity and signal clarity. What this translates to in real-world use is a cleaner, more accurate audio signal, free from the unwanted hums, buzzes, or signal degradation that can often plague lesser-quality cables. It truly helps to preserve the integrity of the sound. Beyond just sound quality, durability is a critical factor for cables that are frequently handled, plugged, and unplugged. EBXYA has clearly prioritized this, making their 1/4 to XLR cables remarkably more flexible and robust than many other options available. The PVC sheath isn't just for protection. It contributes to the cable's ease of use and storage, resisting tangles and kinks. These cables boast high tensile resistance, excellent wear resistance, and impressive flexibility, having been designed to withstand numerous bend tests. This robust construction means a significantly longer lifespan, saving users the hassle and expense of frequent replacements, making them a smart long-term investment for any setup. The connectors themselves are another standout feature. The XLR female to 1/4 TRS cables incorporate a clever self-locking design, which makes plugging and unplugging both secure and effortless. This eliminates the worry of accidental disconnections during a critical recording session or live performance. Furthermore, these aren't just standard connectors. They are heavy-duty metal with gold-plated pins. The gold plating serves a crucial function by resisting corrosion and ensuring superior conductivity, which directly contributes to a higher quality of sound transmission over time. In terms of compatibility, these balanced XLR female to 1/4-inch cables are incredibly versatile. They are specifically designed for connecting XLR male connectors to equipment that features a 1/4-inch TRS jack. This makes them an ideal choice for a wide array of applications, including professional studio recording setups, linking amplifiers, mixers, guitars, microphones, and speakers. Essentially, if a user needs a reliable, high-quality, balanced connection between these types of audio gear, these cables are an excellent solution. The package conveniently includes two 3-foot cables, and EBXYA backs their products with a commitment to customer satisfaction, offering prompt support for any questions. It's clear that EBXYA aims to provide a worry-free experience, allowing users to simply focus on enjoying their music and audio production.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.